There is also a very concerted endeavor to make up for those seats from south of the Vindhyas. You don't feel that's happening?
No, look, they may be trying. They even tried to try and take some seats in south. Prime Minister came and said, in Kerala we'll have double-digit results. I said, yes, only if the two digits are both zero. And that's what's going to happen to the BJP in Kerala. Similarly in Tamil Nadu, you're seeing a situation where there isn't a hope for them of even coming close in any one seat. So in these circumstances, we're looking at BJP doing worse in the south, because last time Karnataka, they got quite a number of seats. I think they got 27 or 28 with their alliance. Now that's not happening. So we are again looking at various polls, 10 seats, 12 seats, 17 seats, who knows. Whatever it is, it's not going to be one seat. It's going to be very much better. Telangana, we had 2 seats last time. Everyone is saying about 10 seats. So in the south, the Congress and the India Alliance will do much better. The BJP will go down. So not only are they not compensating, they're actually losing further. And then in the north, as I said, they've already maxed out. So where are they going to get new seats? You ask them, point to a state where your seats are going to go up from last time. They can't point to any seat. They only point to UP again.